What's his backpack's costume? Right, an airplane. There's Isa. What's her backpack's costume? Correcto, a butterfly. And there's the big red chicken. What's his backpack's costume? Right, a robot.
It's time to start the parade!
Yay! Ooh, we have to get in line, Dora. Backpack, are you ready to sing your song? Yeah! Backpack, backpack, backpack. I think this is going to be the biggest sneeze of them all. Backpack, choo! Hey, I don't feel like sneezing anymore. Backpack, I think you were allergic to the confetti. Yay! No more sneezes! No more sneezes! Now I